Alright, so you've got a Mustang GT and you want to swap out those brake pads yourself. Let's get into it. First, I always make sure my car's parked on a flat spot. Pop the hood and loosen the lug nuts before jacking up the car. Safety first, use those jack stands. Never trust just the jack. Now pull the wheel off and boom, there's your brake caliper right in front of you. Use a socket or wrench to remove the bolts holding the caliper on. Slide the caliper off and don't let it dangle. Hook it up with a bungee cord or set it on something stable. Take out those old brake pads. They might be a little stuck, so give them a wiggle. Keep an eye out for those anti-rattle clips, sometimes they pop out. Now here's the pro move. Grab a C-clamp or a brake tool and gently push the caliper piston back in. You'll need that space for the fresh pads. Slide in the new pads. Make sure they're seated nice and snug. Line up the caliper and bolt it back on, torquing everything to spec. Throw the wheel back on, hand tighten the lug nuts, then drop the car and finish tightening them in a star pattern. Before you hit the road, pump the brake pedal a few times to seat the pads. Check your brake fluid and you're good to go. And that's how you change brake pads on a Mustang GT. Easy as pie. If I can do it, you can too. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips. Catch you next time.